टेम्परेचर होता है। टीवी। ओके ओके, इन क्रिकेट, ओके ओके। Okay, how fast the ball swing that shows in percentage. Okay. I'm not saying cricket better. That's why I don't know. Water available on the earth. Okay, good. How many percent water is filled in the tank? Very good. Textbook खोले, है ना? टीवी एड, बेटा टीवी एड में परसेंटेज कैसे होता है मुझे बताओ. प्लीज राइट डाउन द चैट बॉक्स. 99.99% hand wash is good. Okay. It is a TV ad of Dettol. Okay, hand wash. Okay, so you all know what is percentage. So today we will see the percentage. Okay. Yes, 99.99% bacteria killed. That is showing in TV ad of Dettol hand wash. Okay, good. Lifebuoy hand wash is also there. Yes, percentage of mobile. Yes, okay. Okay, now I understood that you all know. Okay, so let me start the document. Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the class 6, chapter 12, percentage practice set 30. Okay. Percentage. In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio that represent a fraction of 100. In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio. Okay, it is a number or ratio that represent a fraction of 100. It is often denoted by the symbol percent. The symbol of percentage is here. Okay, is here. Or simply as percent, or you can write simply as percent also with the as it is written here. Okay. Cent, cent means 100. The percent meaning last cent is 100, and percent means per 100. Okay, per 100. Now see here some symbols. So it is given where we can use percentage. The first picture is a tank where if you will fill a full of water, it will become 100%. Okay, but here it is showing only 58% of water is there in a tank. Okay, in the second way, that is a fraction, you can write 58 upon 100. Okay, the second is a mobile that is showing the charging percentage. Okay, the charge percentage is remaining 43. If we will charge full, then it will show 100%. Okay, so as a simply percent, you can write 43%, and in decimal, sorry, not in decimal, in fraction, you can write 43 Okay, sorry beta, because of the no, I am not muted because of the network issue. I gone out. Okay, so here दिया यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है 50 out of 100. So how we will change the percent in the form? Okay, now in the form of fraction, now it is given 50%. So how we will change it in a fraction? We will write 50 upon 100. Okay, now we will divide it. 0 0 cut. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and here 5 ones are 5. So we got 1 upon 2. Okay, we got 1 upon 2. So this is a fraction, that is 1 upon 2, that is a half part, and 50 means a half only. Okay. Second is also given 25% means 25 part out of 100. 25% means 25 part out of 100. So if you want to change 25% into a fraction, again you will divide it 25 upon 100 and you will divide it 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So here you got 1 upon 4. So it has been a part of the whole, 1/4 part of the whole. Okay. Now see the third question. 35% means 35 part out of 100. So same as it is, you will divide 35 upon 100, which is 35. Okay. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 20s are will be 100. First you will write 5 twos are 10 and 0 as it is. So it will become 20. So your answer will be 7 upon 20 part of the whole. Okay. Here we have seen how the percentage change in the form of fraction. Here now we will see how a fraction in the form of a percentage, how we will change the fraction in the form of a percentage. Now here it is given 3 upon 4. Okay, that is 3/4. So how you will do? So 3 upon 4, first we want the denominator should be a decimal fraction, that is 100. The denominator should be 100. In the previous lecture only I have told, if there is a 4 you will divide it by 25. So it is a 4. Okay, that is, see here, 3 upon 4 is there. Okay, so you will multiply to make 4 as 100. So you will multiply it by 25. If you are multiplying denominator with 25, so you will multiply the 3 also with 25. So 3 25 is 75 upon 4 25 is 100. Okay. So here we got the percent, that is 75%. Okay. Now 2 upon 5. So what will be the answer of 2 upon 5? So you will first multiply it. Okay. 2 upon 5. So for making denominator 100, we have to take that number, that 5 will be turned into 100. So 5 20s is 100. And if you are multiplying to 5 with 20, so you will multiply same a numerator also, that is 20. So 25 2 20s is 40 upon 5 20s is 100. Okay, so your percentage is you got that is 40%. Okay, you got that is 40%. Okay, let's see a practice set, that is practice set 30. There is only one practice set in percentage. Okay, and this practice set, it is a word problem. Now here the question is given that Shabana scored 736 marks. Okay, 736 marks she has scored out of 800 in her exam. What was the percentage she scored? Here the percentage is not given. So let's first write the given that is marks obtained by Shabana. The marks obtained by Shabana is 736. Okay. And total marks is 800. Okay, marks obtained by Shabana is 736 out of 800. So suppose the marks obtained by Shabana be X%. Here the percentage is not given. What is the percentage? Only marks is given. So we will write suppose the marks obtained by Shabana. अगर Shabana के marks कितने obtained हुए हैं तो उसके हिसाब से उसका percentage will be X%. Okay, X%. We don't know what is the percent. So we will write X%. So here we will write X upon 100 is equal to 736 which she has scored out of 800. Okay, out of 800. Now here what we have to do? Now here this step has been completed. So here we will multiply it. I have shown you both the sum, that is both the side and the one side. Okay, how to change the number in is equal to sign. Okay, इज इक्वल टू के ये साइड नंबर कैसे लाना है. ओके अगर आपको दोनों साइड करना है आप दोनों साइड कर सकते हो, बट दिस प्रैक्टिस सेट इज गिवन इन बोथ द साइड. ओके सो बोथ द साइड वी विल डू इट. That is X upon 100 is there. Okay, we don't know the percentage, that's why we have written X. And why we have written 100? Because we are removing percentage out of 100 only. That's why I have written 100. Okay, is equal to, it is 736 upon 800. Okay, so here first we will multiply it by 100. Here if we are multiplying by 800, then here also you will multiply it by 100 only. Okay, here also you will do. This is the both side operations. Okay, so here 100 cut it. So here we did not want to, doesn't want to do anything. Here we will cut 0 0 0 cut 0 0 cut. Okay, now 736 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are 72. 1 remain. 1 we will give to 6. It became 16. And 8 twos are 16. Okay. So she got 92%. X is equal to 92%. Here we have taken X now. We don't know what is the percent. So now X is equal to 92%. Therefore, Shabana scored 92% marks in her exam. So here it is a second question that there are 500 students in the school. Okay, total 500 students are there in the school in Dahihanda village. Okay, this is the name of the village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them